4. Okay. And next 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 5 cube is equal to 125. Like that only for 6. 6 6 is 36. 36 into 6 we must do. 6 to the power of 3 is equal to. So 36 into 6. Find out what is the cube value of 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 216. Like that only 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. It is equal to 7 cube. Maybe we will get 343. Sorry, 243. You will see. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7. 7 9 is 63. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6. 34. So 343. Okay. Then 8 cube we will see. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 cube maybe we will get 512. So we will see. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8. 8 4 is 32. 8 6 is 48 plus 3. 51. 512. And 9. 9 into 9 into 9, which is equal to 9 cube. So 9 cube is equal to 81 into 9. 9 9 is 81. 81 into 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 8 is 72. 729. And 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 10 cube. 10 cube is nothing but 1000. Just observe the square values of 1 to 10. These are the cube values. Yes or no? Cube values of 1 to 10. 1 to 10 numbers. And we will see square values of 1 to 10 numbers. One square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. See, observe squares of single digit numbers, means 1 to 9, observe 1 to 9. Either they are consisting 1 digit or 2 digits. For this we have 2n digits or 2n minus 1 digit square value. Like that only observe. And square of 1 and 9 are having unit digit as 1. Square of 2 and 8 are having unit digit is 4. So these properties we have discussed previously. Like that only same properties we will see. Only 1 to 10 numbers I have taken. First consider 1 to 9 numbers, single digit numbers. Observe 1 digit is there, 2 digits are there, and 3 digits also we have. Okay, cubes. And next, what is the cube value of 1? If the number consisting 1 in its unit place, then you will get 1 only in the unit place. For 1, 1 itself. For 2, 8 we are getting. Still anywhere there? 8? No. And for 3, 7 we are getting. Okay. And cube value, if the number is consisting 4, 4 only you will get, same number. And for 5, 5 only you will get. And for 6, 6 only you are going to get. But for 7, it is changed to 3. Observe, 3 to 7, 7 to 3. And same, for 8 we will get 2. See, 2 to 8, 8 to 2. And for 9, 9 only. And if you are having 0, so 3 times you will get 0. For 0, 0 only will get for squaring also, but there you will get even number of zeros for square values. And whereas for cubes, multiples of 3 zeros you will get. If it is a perfect cube, either 3 or 6 means 3 tables. If 3 zeros are there, that is a perfect cube, maybe. Okay, now observe. The number, if the number is consisting 1 in its unit place, so suppose 11, next number was 11. Find out 11 cube. 11 into 11 into 11 I will get. So 11 11s are 121. 121 into 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 2s are 22 plus 1 is 23. 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. 1331. Observe, one only I am getting. Means whenever, if the number is having 1 in its unit place, its cube as well as square also will get 1 only. Okay, coming to 2. Whatever number we are getting, for suppose 12 is there. 12 cube I want to find. 12 12 is 144. Square value we know. Find out the cube value by multiplying 12 for square value. So 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Means 1728. Observe its unit digit. So whenever you are getting 2 in any number, its cube must consist 8 in the unit digit. So these are the properties of cubes. So before that, first of all, we'll write what is meant by cube values, and after that, cube values from 1 to 20 numbers will take, and after that, properties of cube values. If a number is multiplied 3 times, then 3 times by itself is called its a cube value. Cube value or cube number, whatever. Okay, so we will see cube values from 1 to cube values of 1 to 20 numbers. So here we need to know at least 1 to 10 cube values. First number and its cube value I am writing. So for suppose if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, 1 cube. Cube value is nothing but 1 multiplied 3 times. So 1 cube is equal to 1 only. And 2 cube. So 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. Just observe this 64 number. It is perfect square as well as perfect cube also. Because 64 we can write as 8 square. Okay, and 4 cube means it is a perfect square and perfect cube. Whereas 8 we can't write as square value. 1 is a perfect square and perfect cube. Okay, next 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. 6 cube is just now we did 216, and 7 cube is equal to 343. 8 cube is equal to 512. Okay, we will do something. Cube values of 1 to 20 numbers. Number and its a cube value I am writing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So for all these numbers, we will find out what is their cube values. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 64, 125, and for 6 we are getting 216, for 7 343, and for 8 we are getting 512, 9 729, and it is 1000, 11 1331, and for 12 just now we did 1728, and for 13 we will get 2197, 14 2744, 15 3375, 16 4096, and here 4913, 5832, is 18 cube, and 19 cube is 6859, and 2 cube is 8. 3 zeros are there. 8, 20 cube is equal to 8000. So just listen 1 to 20 numbers. If you are unable to learn till 11 to 20, no problem, but at least 1 to 10 numbers cube values you have to learn. Okay, so these are the 1 to 20 numbers and their cube values I have given. And just observe the cube values of every number here. The number which is ending with 1 means here 1 and 11 are having unit digit 1. So observe their cube values. 1 is having 1 only, and 11 cube also having 1 only in its unit digit. And so it is a odd number. Next, 2 cube I am getting 8 and coming to 12. Because 2 and 12 both are having 2 in their unit digit and their cubes are having 8 in their unit digit. Means these are the properties of cube values. When one we are finding cube of a number which is having 1 in its unit digit, we will get 1 only. Okay. If the number is having 2 in its unit digit, its cube will get 8. And coming to 3, 7 we are getting. So the number which is having unit digit 3 is 13. It is also having unit digit as 7. Means if the number having 3 in the unit place, then we will get its cube unit value, unit number in its cube is 7. Okay. Next, 4. 4 only will get. Observe. 4 cube is 64. 14 cube is a unit digit 4 only. Coming to 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. So 4, 4 and 5, 5 only get. If the number is having 16 unit digit, we'll get its cube also 6 only. And 7, observe 7 and 17. 7 is having 3, 17 also having 3 in the unit place. So 3, observe 3 to 7, 7 to 3. Same similarly for 8 we will get unit digit as 2. And for 9, 9 only. And for 10, odd number of times means multiples of 3 times we will get 0. So remember, here the digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Compulsory will get, if the numbers having these digits, then in their cube values we will get same digits. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. If the numbers which are having 2, then in their cube values we will get 8. For 8 we will get 2. And for 3 we will get 7. And for 7 we will get 3. That's all. Okay. Next, coming to the properties of cube. The numbers having 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are 0 in their unit place. Then their cubes also must have same digit. In their unit place. And next, if the number having 2 or 3, their cubes have 8 and or 7. So in its unit place, then their cubes must have 8 in unit place and vice versa. Two and also if the numbers are ending with 3, their cube must have 7. And if the numbers are having 7, then their cube must have 3. Okay. So here I'll write. And third point is if the numbers having 3 in their unit place, then their cubes must have 7 in their unit place and vice versa. Means ending with 7 and okay, reversely, vice versa means again reversely also possible. And next, so these are the cube values. The numbers 1 in their unit place, they are having one only their cube values as told you. But just observe 81 we can't write as a perfect cube. Even it is having one its unit place, means the numbers which are ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, they may not be perfect cubes also. But the cube values which are perfect cubes, they must have these digits only. Okay. And come to next topic, patterns. What we have observed in the patterns in square numbers, like that only we will see in cube values also, cube numbers also we will observe the patterns. before that, one example we'll see. The digit in units place means unit digit of the following number. And here the numbers are given. First one is 75 cube. And secondly, 123 cube. And third question is 157 cube. Fourth one, 198 cube. And fifth one, 206 cube. Okay, observe the given questions. We need to find out just unit digit and whether those are even or odd numbers also we will decide. Okay, observe the first problem. See, it is lengthy, bigger number. 75 cube means compulsory we get a bigger number only, larger number. So after multiplying 3 times 75, what is the unit place? Actually, we need to decide in that way. But instead of doing all those things, means to do in easiest way, we have the properties of cube values. So this is enough to check what is the unit digit of the given number. So here unit digit of the given number is 5. So 5, what we will get cube value? 5 itself. Cube value of number which is ending with 5. We will get 5 only. So 1, 1 and 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. We will get their cube values the same digit. Yes, and the numbers which are having 2 in their unit place we will get 8, and for 3 we will get 7, and for 8 2 will get, for 7 we will get 3. Yes, so these are the properties of the cube numbers and you need to remember this. So now observe here unit digit is 5. So for 5 we are getting cube value 5 only. Means 75 cube having 5 in its unit place. So because it is having 5 in the unit place, it is a odd number. Its cube is odd number. They did not ask, but sometimes they may ask also. So which type of number we must say? The numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Otherwise, which are divisible by 2, those are even numbers, and which are having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all those are odd numbers. Yes or no? So here 5 is there, that's why it is an odd number. Okay, then coming to the second question. $120 cube having 3. So the numbers which are having 3, we will get 7 in the cube value. Yes or no? Having 7 in its unit place. For 3, 7, for 7, 3. And next, third question, 7 we have. So with just 3, 7 we will get, for 7 we will get 3. So 157 cube having 3 in its unit place. And coming to 198 cube. Because unit digit is 8, so we will get 2. Having 2 in its unit place. 206. Because unit digit is 6, we will get same number in their cubes also. So having 6 in its unit place. That's all. So just observe which one is odd number, which cube is even. Because 5 is there, 7 and 3. All these 3 are odd numbers. So 75 cube, 120 cube and 157 cube are odd numbers. 198 cube and 206 cube are having even numbers in their cube value. So those two are even numbers. Okay. And now come to patterns in cube numbers. So observing the pattern, we need to write the next sequence. That's all. We need to find the next step. No need to do the calculation. So my first example is how I am adding the consecutive odd numbers and what I am getting. 1 is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 cube. Next, after 1, what is the odd number? 3. And after 3, 5 elements. So 2 numbers are there. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. And next consecutive odd number for 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 plus 11. 3 numbers. First step 1 number, second step 2 numbers, and third step 3 numbers. And here we are taking next consecutive odd numbers. Only odd numbers. So 7 plus 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Yes. What will be the next step? After 11, what is the consecutive odd number? 13. So, because it is fourth step, we have to take 4 numbers. 13, 15, 17, and 19. 4 consecutive numbers. Compulsory, you will get 64, which is nothing but 4 cube. Just observe whether you will get 64 or not. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 4 we are getting and 2 will be carried. So 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 64. Which is nothing but 4 cubes. Like that only try to write first next value. Next consecutive numbers. How many consecutive numbers we want? To write 4 cube, we are writing 4 consecutive numbers. To write 3 cube, we are writing 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. Okay, like that only. Next consecutive numbers will start from 21. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get 125 as their sum. Compulsory 5 cube you will get. Just observe that. 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 5. 2 is there still. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 120. Okay. So like that only patterns will generate whenever you are getting. For suppose I want to write 6 cube. Next consecutive odd number unless I need to start the pattern. That's all. Now next type of pattern is given like this. Okay, next one we will see. That is the second one. Observe pattern and write the next. So the pattern is given like that. 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. Sorry, not 15. And next step they are given 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to 19. 4 cube minus 3 cube is equal to 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3 is equal to 37 given. and they are asking to find out 5 cube minus 4 cube without doing the calculation. Observe the given 3 steps, then you can write automatically the 4th step. Observe here. See here, they have used this pattern. In this, they use the operations addition and multiplication. So among those two, according to Bhagmar's rule, we must do multiplication only first. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1 19. Okay, that is clear. Now observe 2 cube is 8, 1 cube is 1, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Both are equal, yes or no? Observe this pattern. These are the two consecutive numbers, and between them, cubes of difference of their cubes we are taking. Difference of cubes of two consecutive numbers. Difference because subtraction. Okay. Two consecutive numbers. 1 and 2 are consecutive numbers. Difference means greater number only we must take first. Okay. Difference of cubes of consecutive numbers is expressed by using this pattern. How? Just observe in this 1, 1, 1 only we are getting. Means automatically for this one also we will get 1 itself. Okay. And 5 cube minus 4 cube we need to do. So here just observe the first pattern. Numbers are 2 and 1. So 2 into 1 given. And this 3 also is common for all the steps. Means last step will get into 3 only for any number. Next consecutive numbers also. And two numbers are 2 and 1, so 2 into 1. 3 and 2, 3 into 2, 4 and 3, 4 into 3. So next pattern will be 5 into 4 into 3, which is equal to 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. Okay. 60 plus 1, 61. If you have any doubt, find out this. 5 cube is 125 and 4 cube is 64. 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 minus 6 is 60, 61. Both are true. Try to write the answers for these consecutive numbers also. Difference of cubes of these consecutive numbers by using the same pattern. We will see. Okay. According to that pattern, we must write first number 1 and here addition. Okay. Two numbers are 10 and 9. So 10 into 9 into 3. That's all. What will get? 9 3s are 27. 27 into 10, 270. 270 plus 1 is equal to 271. Whether it is correct or not, check. 10 cube is 1000. 9 cube is 729. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 6, and here 0. So, sorry, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2, so 271. Okay, same like that only, continue for this one also. If you know the values directly you are doing, but for bigger numbers it is impossible. For that sake only we have this simplified form, how we are using the pattern. So observe difference between two consecutive numbers is 1 plus those two numbers into 3. Now these three numbers find out, add 1 to that product, you will get its answer. Same here also 1 plus 25 in 3. So we will see 15 3s are 45. Otherwise 14 3s are 42. 14 into 3, 42 into 15. 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60 plus 3 is 63. And plus 1 is there, so 631 we will get here. Same like that only. 26 into 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 78 into 25. 5 8s are 40. Okay. 5 7s are 35 plus 4, 39. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 17. 14 plus 1, 15. 0, 15 and 9, 1, and still 1 is there, so 1951 will be the result. And next pattern is given like this. One cube is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Next 1 cube plus 2 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square, which is nothing but 3 square. So 3 square is nothing but 9. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to dash. Okay, just observe the given pattern. It is very clear that observe 1 cube and 1 square both are equal to 1 only. And next two numbers, sum of two numbers, two consecutive numbers, cube of two consecutive numbers. 1 cube is equal to sum of those two numbers whole square given. So 1 plus 2 whole square, which is nothing but 3 square, which is equal to 9. Whether it is correct or not. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 9, and 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 square we are getting 36 only. Means instead of elaborating single and adding, it is very simple that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, sorry, not square, cubes. Cubes of 1 to 4 consecutive numbers is equal to sum of 1 to 4 numbers and their square. See, observe the pattern. So next step is that one only. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 square is 100. Whether it is correct or not, check. 1 cube 1. 2 cube is 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 27 is 36. 36 plus 64 will get. So that is 100. Okay. Just observe this. If we are getting cubes of n numbers, n consecutive numbers, first 10 numbers, then what will be the answer? We'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till n numbers we have to take and their square. Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to square of the sum of the first n natural numbers. And sum of first n natural numbers formula is given by n into n plus 1 by 2 actually. So sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is given by square of this number, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and it is very very important, this formula. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. And next, sum of squares of first n natural numbers also we have. For that we have this formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So that are the three formulas. So here take the formulas.